Hey there, twerkers. Construction twerkers. That'd be a good band name. I've been absent again for a bit because I've had so many things that I've had to do. And by so many things, I mean shovel 26 inches of snow every day, over and over and over. Yeah. Anyway, Typewriter Series 476. Here's your wee crinkly paper. Looks like this. It's very thin. Whatever. Let's read it. I see a giant 1 on the calendar before me, and all I can think of is how many days were crossed off to bring me to here. How many more days I must cross off to bring you to here, too. It's a sad one. I love you a lot. I hope it's warm where you are. I'll see you soon.